Hello everybody, my name is Nathan and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing with Nerf guns.
What's up, bro?
Alright, so let's go and do this. So we're going to turn
we're going to the park?
I got it.
Okay. So we're going to the park?
We're going to the front yard.
Alright, we should be going to the park, dude. The park is a better place to go.
In the front yard, man, because there's way too many kids at the park.
And there's a big area space extra other than the park, like by the park there's a giant space. Let's go there.
You know, I want to be out here, dude. Because look, there's shade right there.
Shade. Shade over there too.
And see, dude, and see, look. And there's kids all screaming out there, and the people on this will barely even hear us if they're watching the video. You think that's good? Well, where are we gonna be playing? We're gonna be playing like right over here.
Can't see.
No, wait, dude, you can't shoot me right now. Alright. So that y'all can see us. Are you ready to watch? Well, guess I'm gonna have to run now instead of I guess I'm gonna have to run. So we'll see y'all in part 2.